Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Pixel tab in Kucoin. So make sure to stick around till the end so don't miss anything. Alright, let's dive right into it. The first step is to open up the Pixel tab using the Telegram app on your mobile device. Before you get started, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. From here, click on the Connect Any Wallet button. Now you will see a list of wallets. Go ahead and select the KuCoin wallet from the list. Next, open up your KuCoin app and click on the deposit option. Search for USDT and once you find it, click on it. Now generate your wallet address. Once you have the address, copy it, head back to the Pixel tab dashboard. Finally, paste the wallet address into the appropriate field on the Pixel tab and click Make, and that's it. Your wallet will be successfully connected to KuCoin. And that's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.